Hello everyone, so in this video we will know how to change the language after the voice note has been transcribed, right? So this is how we do it. But if you don't know how to transcribe at first, then you should check out our previous video so to know what is the process and you get these transcription and then you can change your language, which I will tell you in this video. Okay, moving on to the actual process of changing your transcription language right away when you are on the chat without going to the setting. Let's do it together. Select the audio by holding it and then you have to click on the three dots on top right corner. You click on change language and select the language you want to change in. Okay, if you select the same language, the one which is already transcribed in, then it will not be changed, else it will be. So the voice notes are here transcribing right now to the language which you want, so you can change it right away. As this is already transcribed, you can easily do it by clicking on the three dots and selecting the language to change in. The example I've shown in that I changed to Portuguese, but it is not being changed. The language is not being transcribed in that language because I have not downloaded it from the setting. So in the previous video I told how from where to download these languages to transcribe, right? So we will do that and then we can change it to these. This is how we do it. This feature is really interesting if you want to convert it quickly and also change the language easily, like when you're on the chat. But if it is not downloaded, then you have to go to the setting and download that particular language. One more way to change the language is you go to the description area, the information area of the chat, and you slide it down and you see this transcripts option. You tap on it and you get the options of language you have, right? So if it is downloaded, then you can use it and further transcription will be done in that way. Check out the previous video to be more clear on this topic, and yes, see you in the next video. Tada.